Before I start today's video, I want to tell you something exciting. Over the next few days, I'm going to start a brand new series on this channel where I'll show you how to build a complete online business from scratch. We'll cover everything from creating and selling digital products, content creation, AI workflows, making money online, productivity systems, automation, and other online business tutorials. But here's the thing. Almost every tool we'll use in those videos has a premium version, and buying all of them can easily cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. That's exactly why I'm making this free premium series. Whenever I find an official way to get premium tools for free, I'll share it with you so you can claim them now and use them later while building your online business. And today's offer is probably one of the biggest ones yet. You can get ChatGPT Premium for up to 12 months completely free through an official OpenAI partnership. Let me show you how. Recently, Revolut announced an official partnership with OpenAI. As part of this collaboration, eligible Revolut customers can claim ChatGPT Premium for free for up to 12 months. This isn't a giveaway. It isn't a coupon website. It isn't a trick. It's an official promotion. So if you already use ChatGPT for writing, research, coding, designing, content creation, studying, or building your business, this could save you a significant amount of money. If you're planning to create digital products, write ebooks, build online courses, design templates, generate marketing content, automate your workflow, or grow your online business, having access to the premium version can make your work much easier. That's why I recommend claiming this offer if you're eligible. Even if you don't need it today, you may need it for the upcoming tutorials on this channel. Now, here's the important part. Not everyone will be able to claim this offer. This promotion is only available to eligible Revolut customers. Your eligibility depends on factors such as your country, your Revolut account, your subscription plan, and whether the offer has been rolled out to your account. The easiest way to check is to open the official Revolut announcement, then sign into your Revolut account and look for the ChatGPT Premium benefit in the Benefits or Lifestyle section. If it's available, simply follow the official activation steps. The process only takes a few minutes. If this offer isn't useful to you today, don't skip this series. I've already covered several other official premium offers that creators and online business owners can use. You'll find videos on Google Premium, Claude Premium, iLovePDF Premium, Resume Builder Premium, and many more official offers in this free premium series. So after this video, check out the playlist and claim the ones you're eligible for before they expire. If you don't want to miss future premium offers, or the upcoming online business series where we'll actually use these premium tools to build digital products, create content, automate work, and make money online, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.